In today's video, let's talk about how to use Robinhood social investing feature. Now, in order to access the dedicated social platform that is built in within Robinhood, this allows you to view the verified trades as well as share your own strategies and follow the performances of other investors. So you'll be able to see a similar screen just like this, such as for you are following, and then all of the posts that others have made would also be visible within this section. First of all, you need to access it or set it up however. So simply head over to your profile on the bottom right and then simply head over to the option which says social, or sometimes you also may be able to see it within the bottom of the panel. Now within this section, you need to create your own username. You need to upload a profile picture and add in your bio as well. And as I said, once that is done, you would get a similar social feed which says for you or following, which lets you view all of the others posts as well as you could share your own strategies as well by simply tapping on the plus icon. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.